haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Today I've decided to make for you guys this super cute blue pearl bracelet. This was just a little kit that I had lying around my house, so I figured I'd use it. So ignore the little clips up there because I used elastic. To make the beading more organized and easier, I went ahead and poured my beads into a paint tray and then sorted them into 3 different groups. Then I cut out the elastic to be bigger than my wrist so that I have plenty of extra to work with. I just chose to do one of those silver tubes, a little bead on either side of a big bead, and then a silver tube to sandwich it all together. I had to change it just a little bit by adding a big bead and then a little bead on one side so it would fit my wrist. Then I just triple knotted the elastic so it wouldn't come undone and slid the bead over the knot. Now the last thing I have to do is to wear it, because what's a bracelet if you don't use it, right? This bracelet was so much fun to make, and I think you guys will enjoy it too if you do it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.